You asked, how to divide 8,800 by 7 using the long division method. 8 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 18 minus 14 equals 4. Bring down 0, making 40. 40 divided by 7 equals 5. 5 times 7 equals 35. 40 minus 35 equals 5. Bring down 0, making 50. 50 divided by 7 equals 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. 50 minus 49 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1257 remainder 1.